Hello everyone, welcome back to another day. This is Judy. Here I am cleaning out everything including the curtains. We are going to be renovating or just updating the chimney, this wall that's kind of boring, so we decided to give it a different look. Everything that we're going to be using here in this video, you can find the information in the video farmhouse tile. That's 2 videos down, so stay with me, hit the like button, subscribe, and enjoy this beautiful renovation. Thank you guys. Okay, so this is the last piece to be cleared out, so let's get started. Really clean your tile before you place any peel and stick tile on it. If you're gonna do it on a tile, this you see right here is spray paint that does not come off the tile. So yes, in order for the adhesive to stick, please make sure you have a clean surface before you start. I apologize if you do not like the speed. In order for this video to be shorter than 40 minutes, I had to speed it up because I think you were gonna be bored just watching it at normal pace. So yes, I had to speed it up. Enjoy. Shout out to my husband Jose. He did most of the work. I am so grateful to God for him. Te amo, mi amor. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. Now let's get to the second part of this transformation. Okay guys, so we are getting close to the reveal. We are almost finishing this wall up. Another coat, a couple more edges, and we're all set to let it dry and decorate. So stay with me, don't go anywhere, we're still here. I'm super happy and excited because finally my living room has another update. So finally, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up, a like, go ahead and subscribe. This is a great channel. You're gonna have lots of fun watching stuff, the crazy stuff I do. If you like farmhouse and decorating, yeah, go ahead, subscribe. Okay, so I decided to show you the before, just in case you forgot how it looked. I've had it this way for almost 2 years. We bought this house about a year and 9-10 months ago. Yes, I did clean. This is before I cleaned and prepared for the tile, but this is the before. Ugly red tile from the, I think, 80s or 90s. This is the wall color. So yep, take a look at the before because you are going to be shocked at the after. that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I know there's a couple of touch-ups that need to be done. I have to buy a couple of candlesticks. We're not completely done. I want to buy some new stuff to decorate the front of the fireplace. And if you know a way to take that dark stain, smoke stain out of the fireplace besides painting, please let me know. I have scrubbed and done everything and it does not come off. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like and subscribe if you haven't, because you're going to enjoy many more videos that are coming up, like my dining room transformation that is coming up soon. I am actually working on it right now. So please stay connected and keep watching. Thank you.